Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is about this Celie hair lace frontal wig. The hair is actually 14 inches long and it's body wave. As you guys can tell, the color is popping straight out of the box and I am loving it. So this is what the hair looks like straight out of the box. I didn't have to color it or anything like that. The hair is colored straight out of the box and it came in this gorgeous packaging with loads of amazing goodies. It came with a hair comb and eyelashes, an elastic band, baby hair comb and bobby pin and loads of amazing goodies, guys. And yeah, this is what the hair looks like straight out of the box, and I love the fact that everything has been done for you straight out of the box. The hair comes with an elastic band. It also comes with a center part straight out of the box. As you guys can tell, the hair has been pre-curled straight out of the box, so all you have to do is cut the hair, the lace, and you will be good to go. The hair also comes with 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back, and the elastic band is also adjustable, so if your head is big or small, the elastic band got you covered. So yeah, for today's look, I was actually feeling the color of the hair and I thought, you know what, I'm not going to use elastic band, I'm just going to go ahead and install the hair with spray. So yeah, I cut off the excess lace. Everything I did in this video is self-explanatory, so yeah, just watch and you would understand how simple and straightforward it is to install this hair. And bear in mind that you can actually style this hair anyhow you like. You can actually go for tighter curls using a wand, or you can use the bigger barrel to achieve a beach wave type of look, depending on you, depending on the look you're going for. But yeah, the hair is 100% human hair, so you can actually style it however you want. Look at that. The lace melted into my skin effortlessly and I am in for it. So at this point, I cut off the excess lace, and yeah, I did the zigzag motion because you don't want to cut straight ahead. It wouldn't look nice, so make sure you cut in a zigzag motion to give it more natural look, if that makes sense. So after that, I put the head down, and then voila, we are done. Like, this is what you get straight out of the box. Look at those curls, guys. Straight out of the box, this is what you get. Amazing. Like, you don't have to stress yourself curling the hair, whatever. Everything has been done. Just, use your elastic band if you want, then cut off the lace, and voila, look at those curls, guys, straight out of the box. I was technically feeling myself, but for the sake of the video, I thought, you know what, guys, let's curl this hair, let's pin it up and see if it took to curls. And I was amazed about how well the hair took to curls. I showed you guys how I curled the hair, guys. All I did was just wrap the hair around the barrel away from my face. I did the same thing on the left side and the right side as well. It's very easy, very straightforward, and yeah, that's all I did so far. Then when you're done, you can apply your spray, not necessary, but I really like the texture of this hair. Very, very soft and very, very silky to touch, and I love the fact that the hair took to curls really, really well. I also love the fact that the hair is true to length and the quality of the hair is just fantastic. I love it. The color, guys, I wish you guys could actually see the color of this hair in real life, and you will be amazed about how gorgeous this color is. And I love the fact that the color did not bleed at all. Throughout the styling of this hair, I didn't experience any shading or tangling whatsoever. And I like the fact that I can actually manipulate the color that came with the hair straight out of the box anyhow I like to achieve different looks. So yeah, another thing I love about the hair is the lace, guys. Show me the lace. Where is it, sis? The lace melted into my skin effortlessly, like effortlessly. I love the lace of this wig. It was very easy to work with, and I love the fact that it gave that natural look to my hairline. And yeah, I am a huge fan. If you don't know Celie hair, they are, hair brands that sell all types of hair on their website. Feel free to check out their website for loads and loads of amazing options of hair color styles. They have curly hair, black hair, straight hair, short hair, long hair, lace closure, lace frontal. They have all types of hair on their website, and I can guarantee you that you definitely get more than your money's worth, because the quality of their hair is always amazing, and the fact that they always include loads of amazing goodies in their packaging is just amazing. You don't need, to buy anything extra to install their hair. Guys, look at those curls. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. We are done. Voila. The hair took the curls really well. As you can tell, the curls are definitely popping, like popping. I was feeling myself. I'm still wearing the hair. By the way, I decided to go for center parts, just to show you guys that you can part it anywhere. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Celie hair lace frontal wig. As you guys can tell, I am feeling myself. Look at that, guys. The curls are popping. Let me go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. So the first thing I noticed straight out of the box was the color of this hair, guys. The color is popping, like the colors is giving what it's supposed to give. Straight out of the box, I was really impressed with the color of this hair, because the color was exactly the way it was on their website. You guys already understand how that feels when you get what you pay for. That's the vibe I'm getting from this hair. The color of the hair is absolutely stunning. I wish you can see the color of this hair in real life. You would definitely fall in love with it. And the fact that the hair is a colored hair and the quality is absolutely amazing. If you guys don't know Celie hair are a hair brand that sells all types of hair on their website. I've been working with them for almost 3 years now, and I am a huge fan of the quality of their hair. Despite the fact that the hair is colored hair, the quality is absolutely amazing. I love the fact that I didn't experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever. Throughout the styling of this hair, I didn't experience any tangling at all. And I also love the fact that the hair is also true to length. Bear in mind that you don't have to curl this hair straight out of the box, because the curls are popping straight out of the box, and I love the fact that I can just cut my lace and off I go with this type of hair. This is really amazing. And the hair is also pre-plucked straight out of the box, and it also comes with an elastic band which you can also use to install the hair. But immediately I saw the color of this hair, I'm like, no, I'm not going to use elastic band. I'm going to use spray to apply this hair, because I'm definitely going to be rocking this hair throughout this week, because I love the hair color. Like, look at that, and look at how gorgeous the curls are. The hair definitely took the curls really well. I love the fact that I can actually manipulate the curls as I wish. Another thing I love about this hair is the fact that the texture is really soft. Look at that. Very soft and very silky to touch. I really love the texture of this hair. You wouldn't have believed that this is a colored hair, because the quality is just perfection, and the hair is really full to the brim, and as you can tell, it's also true to length. It's 14 inches long, which I really love a lot. I really recommend this hair, absolutely. In terms of the quality of the hair, it's definitely A+ for me, and in terms of the color of the hair, the same with what I've seen on their website, it's definitely A+ for me. And in terms of their shipping was really quick. In terms of their shipping, it's definitely A+ for me. And in terms of the quality of the hair, guys, you already know it's definitely A+ for me. No shedding, no tangling, and the color is just perfection. I love the volume of the hair, guys. It's so voluminous, also full. So the brim, so in terms of the length of the hair, it's definitely A+ for me. The hair is definitely true to length, so I would definitely recommend this hair for anyone looking to rock gorgeous colorful hair this summer. Celie hair got you covered. That's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.